Hello, we are Backbase. Backbase is a software company that provides customer experience portal solution to help unify content and functionality from various backend systems into one single easy-to-use interface. Simple, personal, on any device, anywhere. Before we get started with the demo, I'd like to ask a question. You don't have to answer, it's kind of rhetorical. Who is the more valuable banking client, the retail client or the corporate client? Most often it's the corporate client. Now those corporate clients, what do you think their online user experience is like? It's probably the worst that's out there. But today we are changing that. We are providing the next generation portal client software experience for commercial banking for the high valuable clients, for their CFOs, their treasurers, and their financial staff. Jelmer, why don't we start the demo?
Great, thank you, Dave. So what you see on the screen right now is my new commercial banking dashboard, where I'm currently logged in as James Adams, CFO at Larger Corporate. With our new commercial banking edition, we bring a superior user experience and multiple engagement banking apps right to the customer's existing bank online banking environment. So here on my dashboard, you see alerting, messaging, click to chat, and of course promotions, completely tailored and personalized by the bank's digital marketing team. Also, more advanced apps are available, like the to-do list you see here, including social collaboration features to make the online collaboration between the larger finance teams big corporates have as easy and simple as possible. Of course, at the top, I immediately as a CFO have insight in my current accounts from this bank, and with most large enterprises, the accounts are in multiple currencies, dollars, euros, in this case, Japanese yen. However, for most CFOs, just having insight in my current accounts and my current currencies is not enough. Now, as a CFO, working at a large corporate and managing tens to hundreds of millions of dollars, I want to be able to have insight in the future and above all, predict and prevent account and currency shortfalls. We bring banks the tools to do exactly that for the commercial banking customers right here with the Backbase Commercial Banking Edition. The real meat is in the big graph you see right here. At this moment, this is a consolidation of my asset overview that I can immediately see as the CFO logged into my banking environment. And I can work directly with the graph and scroll through the future to see how multiple invoices in or invoices out, as you can see here on the right-hand side, will influence my multiple accounts and my multiple currencies I have available with this bank. I can scroll through this invoice list and see how different invoices have impact on my accounts and currency position, or indeed work with the graph directly and see how that all works. So let's dive in a little bit deeper and see how this corporate banking customer is supported by this bank. I will open up the Invoices app, and here you will see the multiple invoices imported to my bank's online banking environment. And importing is very simple. I can just upload a file, or I can link the most commonly used ERP and accounting systems big corporates are currently using. After doing an import, you will notice that all the invoices are in my online banking environment, and most invoices are already scheduled and funded for payment. However, a few invoices are still in need of attention, so let me open up this first invoice. Directly I'm able to see some warnings, description, vendor information, comments made by my financial department and finance team, terms and conditions, attachment, and if applicable, vendor payment behavior. For now, I'm going to select a few invoices, and I want, of course, to fund and schedule those invoices for payment. I will click Accept and Schedule. I will select the payment date from the drop-down menu. So in this case, I'm going to choose for September 14th. And then I will click the Confirm button. Immediately, we'll see the status changing to Scheduled. And now I'm getting an alert. And here you see the real power of combining your invoices system with your online banking environment. I'm getting a funding alert saying that my Euro account will be out of funds by September 14th. And I get two different options. I can either transfer funds from my US dollar account to my Euro account, or request a short-term loan from my bank. Of course, this alert is a great opportunity for the bank to do cross and upsell and recommend new financial products, or for direct financial advice at the moment it is most needed for the client. For now, demo-wise, I will ignore this alert and browse back to my dashboard, where of course you see that my account's position and also the graph now has changed. Something that's very important to remember about this dashboard and now Backbase for commercial banking is that this online dashboard is completely widgetized, meaning every app and widget you see here on the screen, you can drag and drop, click, add, remove, and as an end user, I can completely tailor my own environment. Another very important aspect about the Backbase products is the fact that not everybody is at their desk the whole time. Not everybody is behind their laptop the whole time. But as a CFO or working as treasurer in the larger corporate's financial team, I want to have insights in my corporate's cash position and currency positions all the time. Any place, but above all, any device. Backbase for Commercial Banking comes out of the box with multiple apps for tablets and smartphones, as you can see here on the screen. And also the smartphone app brings you exactly the same functionality you see in a regular browser platform, but now on a mobile device. Dave, back to you.
Thanks, Jelmer. So there's three key takeaways from the presentation today. Number one, there's a huge opportunity to improve the user experience in commercial banking. Number two, we have pre-built components and widgets that can help you accelerate your delivery of that portal, that application in months, not years. And last, it's one integrated solution to support desktop, tablets, and mobile devices and smartphones anywhere they want to access them. Now, what we showed you today is not just a demo. Some of the largest financial institutions in the world are using Backbase software. Deutsche Bank, ABN AMRO, Barclays, UBS, and Visa. So, if you're ready to upgrade your online banking experience, please look at us up at one of the breaks, or you're more than welcome to make arrangements to see us at our office on 21 West 46th Street in Manhattan. For now, thank you for your attention.
Thank you very much.